Francis turbine, or water wheel, is located 35 feet below the floor. And that is where the water is spinning that shaft you see moving inside there at 100 revolutions per minute. And the rotor. Each generator can produce 130 megawatts. That's enough for about 65,000 homes. If you look below you, you will notice a rust-colored generator with a fence around it. This is a Pelton water wheel. It is a horizontal generator that produces 2.4 megawatts. We have one just like that on the Arizona side as well. These generators produce our in-house electricity to operate the Hoover Dam. Spanning the top of the power plant, you will see two green bridge cranes on rails. The one closest to us has the American flag on it. These bridge cranes can run the full length of this power plant wing. They are used to lift out our generators for maintenance. Each bridge crane can lift 300 tons. An average rotor weighs about 560 tons. Therefore, both bridge cranes are needed to be combined to lift out just one rotor from a generator. Now, if you look